Daniel from Happy Downloads here. I'm just going to run through our OneNote Planner collection. OneNote app is my favourite digital planning app, mainly because it works across platforms. So here I've got the Surface Pro, but it works just as well on the iPad Pro, Android tablets and Windows PCs. Now, our planners do come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you were interested in trying one, check out our Etsy shop. And if you can get an idea of whether or not it works for you, and if not, we have a money-back guarantee. So just to go through this planner in more detail, we've got the month overviews on here. So it shows you, this is undated version, but we got the January to December. And within each of these sections, we have a weekly undated horizontal layout in this case. We also have a dated version, which I'll show you later. But the benefit with the undated is that you can use it year after year, but it does require some work to populate the dates. So we have that obviously for the whole year. Then we've got also this template section, and these are some pre-created templates you're able to copy and paste elsewhere in the planner. We have, for example, a year calendar overview, birthdays, all these different types. We've got, for example, goal setting, habit tracking. So there's a lot of different formats that you're able to copy and paste elsewhere and use again and again. The other bit to mention is we do have a cover page, and we do provide a few different cover versions that you can copy and paste onto there, as well as hundreds of different stickers. So we've got icons, we've got sticky notes, we've got a bit more flowers and other items on here that you can easily copy and paste through into your planner, and they are transparent, so you can see through the actual stickers, so they're not. It's not the white areas doesn't just permanently cover up what's underneath it. So it does make it a lot easier than having to go to your camera roll and then copy and pasting items into there. So hopefully that gives you an overview of what would be included in your planner. Just to show a few different other versions, we do have our black paper version, undated, as well as a dated version. So in here we've got, for example, up to December 2020, all dated, and then we have weekly templates that have also been populated, which prevents you from having to do that and makes it a little bit easier. One other bit to mention is that we do have, in these templates that I mentioned before, we do have other packs. So we have, for example, student packs, teacher packs, where they have templates that are more targeted for those different areas. So if they're, check out our store, and there might be ones that are relevant to you that you might be interested in. Hope that helps. Check out our store. As I say, we do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not happy, then we're not, and we will provide a full refund and help you try and get you working on your digital planner working if you have any issues. Thanks.